First off, on this little pump, I was surprised I gave a hose. That's really nice, small thin hose. And I have the device connected to a battery powered drill. I had to put a little coupler because this was a male end, so I put a double female end coupler on here. And then I attached the garden hose that's provided to it. It's a very thin garden hose for the water to come out. There's another usage for this device, and that is to take oil out of like a lawnmower or something. You put a little oil on here, push that in there, just twist it in, and then you're supposed to cut a little angle on this and stick it in a dipstick of your engine, and then turn this on. I'm not doing that, of course, and the oil comes squirting out of here, so you can drain a variety of fluids. That's kind of nice. A little simple device. Got a little pump in here that turns one-way direction. You have out here and in here. You hook it up to an electric device, or in my case a battery-powered device. Everbilt Drill Pump. Worked really well. I'm impressed. Sometimes I can't get the water to flow out of my tank. This gives me a way to pump it out with a little velocity. I need it to come out more like to fill up a water barrel. I have a rain barrel collection tank that has a garden hose coming out the bottom. Comes over here, and you can see the pathway it's going to take. It's going to go straight. This is plugged up. It's going to go up here. This is turned off, and it's going to come down this hose, which is right here. So let's see what happens when I turn this drill on. Cool. Coming out really nicely. Good velocity. Before you use the device, you can see right here in the inbound, it says lubricate, some couple drops of mineral oil, and also note the warning, do not use gasoline or other flammable liquids. This may spark, so this is just for oil or for waters. You can see the instruction manual. It's pretty good, very simple. Tells you how much the maximum head at 1200 RPMs, go 45 feet, 832, and so forth. 60 gallons per hour. It'll self-prime up to 8 feet vertically. That's the difference between the pump and the water level. And then, yeah, as I said, self-lubricate by placing several drops of mineral vegetable on the impeller inlet port. There's the configuration for oil, and there's the configuration for water. And you can, as I said, you can use this with a plug-in drill. I use battery powered, but filling tanks and aquariums is another option.